Welcome, July. It is 1st of July and it's time for beach day number 80 on Brunnsviken Beach Adventures. And I'm at Brunnsviken, more specifically on the rocky public beach that's just 100 meters away from the official sandy beach. And we have quite a rather fairly good Monday with 20 degrees Celsius in the air right now and mostly cloudy with few sunshines here and there. And in Lake Brunnsviken we have temperature of 21 degrees Celsius. Now, not so long away from here there is also a nudist beach, the closest nudist beach to the city of Stockholm, Brunnsviken Nakenbad. But I opted today for the public beach as it will be a very short episode, this one, or short swim for me. But yeah, this is how it looks like on a Monday, 1st of July. The water looks so nice and amazing, and I am then ready for a swim in the Brunnsviken today. And yes, celebration, beach day number 80, so that's amazing. Let's then check it out, how to get in from the rocks. But it looks quite scenic here indeed. And we see Hagaparken on the other side, and Central Stockholm also that direction, just less than 3 kilometers away from here. All right, so here we have some rocks at the entrance. Let's see. I think it is quite deep right here as well. So, time for another beach adventure with Chris. So, off we go in 3, 2, 1, let's go! So nice and refreshing. Indeed. Beautiful. Check the rocky beach out. So amazing. Let's then take a swim a bit further and enjoy a bit longer in this beautiful nature that you can see. So this Lake Brunnsviken is connected to the Baltic Sea, but the water here is obviously sweet water, and yeah, so this is one of the few central beaches in Stockholm that you can visit if you're visiting this summer Stockholm. There were lots of tourists today in the central city, but if you go further from the center it's quite empty, as the summer season and vacation season has started already. So many people are on vacation, obviously. So let's see, here we can see the forest Brunssviken on the Lake Brunnsviken, the public sandy beach. There I can see also a beach that I took a swim in a few weeks ago, and that's Hagaparken over there. Alright, so that's a wrap from Brunnsviken's Klippor on this 1st of July 2024 from Stockholm. And thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.